Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, the search for the anti-aging pill. First 28 to 32 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, studies show drugs available today can delay the process of growing old. आज ऐसी दवाएं अवेलेबल है जो ओल्ड होने के प्रोसेस को डिले कर सकती है. As researchers on aging noted recently, no treatment on the market today has been proved to slow human aging. कोई भी दवाई ह्यूमन एजिंग को स्लो नहीं कर सकती, तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नो होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, देयर इज साइंटिफिक एविडेंस दैट ईटिंग फ्यूअर कैलोरीज मे एक्सटेंड ह्यूमन लाइफ. साइंटिफिक एविडेंस है कि कम कैलोरी खाने से ह्यूमन लाइफ एक्सटेंड हो सकती है. बट वन इंटरवेंशन, consumption of a low-calorie yet nutritionally balanced diet, works incredibly well in a broad range of animals, increasing longevity and prolonging good health. These are same statements, therefore its answer is yes. Next question is, not many people are likely to find a caloric-restricted diet attractive. काफ़ी सारे लोग calorie-restricted diet को attractive नहीं मानते. Unfortunately for maximum benefit, people would probably have to reduce their caloric intake by roughly 30%, equivalent to dropping from 2,500 calories a day to 1,750. Few mortals could stick to that harsher regimen, especially for years on end. बहुत कम लोग सालों तक इस harsh diet को follow करते हैं. तो इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next question is not given. Next question is, in experiments, rats who ate what they wanted led shorter lives than rats on a low-caloric diet. एक एक्सपेरिमेंट में वो रैट्स जिन्होंने अपनी मर्जी से खाया था उनकी लाइफ छोटी थी, उनके मुकाबले जिन्हें लो-caloric डाइट दी गई थी. Scientists first recognized the value of the practice more than 60 years ago, when they found that rats fed a low-calorie diet lived longer on average than free-feeding rats. तो इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next 33 to 37 questions are to classifying the descriptions in different categories. As whether it is for caloric-restricted monkeys, or control monkeys, or neither caloric-restricted monkeys nor control monkeys. First is monkeys were less likely to become diabetic. The caloric-restricted animals also look better on indicators of risk for age-related diseases. For example, they have lower blood pressure and triglyceride levels, and they have more normal blood glucose levels pointing to a reduced risk for diabetes. So its answer is A. Caloric-restricted monkeys. Next is, monkeys experienced more chronic disease. किन monkeys को ज़्यादा लंबी बीमारी हुई? Further, it has recently been shown that rhesus monkeys kept on caloric-restricted diets for an extended time have less chronic disease. तो caloric restricted diets वाले monkeys को chronic disease कम हुई, तो ज़्यादा किसको हुई? उसका opposite, control monkeys. तो इसका आंसर होगा B. Next is neither caloric restricted monkeys nor control monkeys. Next to that is, monkeys enjoyed a reduced chance of heart disease. किन monkeys को heart disease के कम chance हुए? The caloric restricted animals also look better on indicators of risk for age-related diseases. For example, they have lower blood pressure and triglyceride levels, signifying a decreased likelihood of heart disease. तो इसका आंसर होगा caloric-restricted monkeys. Monkeys produced greater quantities of insulin. कौन से monkeys ने ज़्यादा insulin produce किया? The monkey projects demonstrate that, compared with control animals that eat normally, caloric-restricted monkeys have lower body temperatures and levels of the pancreatic hormone insulin. तो lower insulin होता है caloric restricted में, तो ज़्यादा होगा control monkeys में, इसलिए इसका आंसर होगा B. Next 38 to 40 questions are to complete a flow chart. How a caloric restriction mimetic works. CR mimetic, less dash is processed. The best studied candidate for a caloric restriction mimetic, 2 decigrams, works by interfering with the way cells process glucose. Glucose is the answer. Production of ATP is decreased. Theory 1. Cells less damaged by disease because fewer dash are emitted. Researchers have proposed several explanations for why interruption of glucose processing and ATP production might retard aging. One possibility relates to the ATP making machinery's emission of free radicals, which are thought to contribute to aging and to such age-related diseases as cancer by damaging cells. Answer is free radicals. Theory 2. Cells focus on dash because food is in short supply. फूड शॉर्ट सप्लाई में होता है तो सेल किस पर फोकस करता है? Another hypothesis suggests that decreased processing of glucose could indicate to cells that food is scarce and induce them to shift into an anti-aging mode that emphasizes preservation of the organism. So its answer is preservation. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.